Hello, this is a quick video on how to use MailChimp and send out a HTML email. This is in contrast to the text version of the email that we sometimes send. First, simply log into MailChimp as you normally would. However, this time when we create a campaign, we're going to create a regular old campaign. Now, we have 102 members in our entire membership list. So for this example, we're going to send it to the entire list. However, if we wanted to send it just to a simple segment, let's say for all archery members, for example, we would click here and follow the screen instructions. But for this entire list, we'll click here. This next screen, this name your campaign. This is an area that is only used for our purposes. So we're going to type in something just for our database, and we're going to call this HTML training video. Now this next line is important. The message subject. This is the subject line that will be used on the email that goes out to everybody. So here we're going to always want to change this and put something meaningful. For this example, we will say, we'll pretend it's snowing outside, and we'll say closed I don't know, something like that. Maybe it's that we have a snowstorm. The rest of the fields here on the left can stay the same. However, here on the right, we want to click this box, add Google Analytics. That's important so we can monitor some additional metrics on who's opening it, who's not opening it, etc. Click Next. Now, for right now, as of the end of January 2011, when I'm recording this, there's only one email template, or there's only one template set up, and that's this email template. So select that, and here is what we have so far. It's a pretty straightforward template, but what we can do is just go in here. Everything else will stay the same. We're just going to edit this one area. Most of the emails that we've sent out so far tend to be pretty short. So we can just edit this one field, and we'll say something like, instead of a reminder, this will be something important. Due to closed is delete everything else. There we go. Once we're done typing, click Save Now. Here's what it looks like. We're going to scroll down to the bottom. Let's do this pop-up preview just to get a sense as to what it looks like. Make sure it appears correctly. Important, just kind of double check. Make sure everything's spelled right, that sort of thing. Looks good. I'll close that. If we want to send a test to somebody, meaning if there's just 1 or 2 or 3 people we want to send this message to before sending it out to the entire group, we can do that by clicking this box and typing in a couple email addresses. Otherwise, if it's good to go, we're going to click next. This screen we really don't need to do anything with. It's a text version of the document we just created. And this goes out so if some people have a difficult time reading the HTML version, that they still get the message. So we can go through here and click next. All of these fields should be correct as well, so we don't need to do anything there. If we hit send now, it'll send out to the entire database. If we want to send it in the future, say right now it's I don't know, Tuesday night, and we know that a big storm's coming and the club's going to be closed, or for any reason, we can schedule this email to be sent sometime in the future, a day, a week, a month, whatever we want, even during certain times of the day, morning, afternoon, evening, by clicking on this. So that's just a quick and dirty way of sending a email to the group using the new HTML template. Hope this works out for you. I'm not going to send it right now, of course, but those are the steps involved.